Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to enable and set up a personal hotspot using your iPhone. This is a great feature when you need mobile Wi-Fi on the go. To get started, open Settings. Inside of the top section, choose Personal Hotspot. At the top, tap the slider to enable the hotspot and allow others to join. Next, tap Wi-Fi password and give your hotspot a new password to use. You must use at least 8 characters, so make it something that's not easily guessed, but something that you'll remember. When you're finished, hit done. Now that the hotspot is enabled and you've set your password, you're ready to go. Take note here of the shared network name, usually the name of your device. This will be the name of the Wi-Fi network that you'll connect to on any other device. Also in the future, you can now easily turn on or off your personal hotspot by accessing it through the Control Center. Close Settings, and then swipe down from the top right to access Control Center. Press and hold on the network icon to access more options. On the bottom right of this screen, you can now quickly turn it on or off just by tapping Personal Hotspot. And that's how you enable and set up a personal hotspot on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.